Please! Somebody! Help me!
Number 6. I remember this one. Mr. Wayland thinks there might be something special about it. Let's see if he's right. Basic responses first. Simply orient your head in the direction indicated. See? Watch her track my hand. Obedient. Very good. On to the next test.
A xenobiological marvel. Excellent. Watch. These things can move on any surface. Just as I predicted. Gracefully done, 6. You can jump too, can't you? Now, send in the first test subject.
Where are you taking me? I won't anybody tell me what's happening.
Pause PDHC if you are going to agree on the test come into effect.
I'm not going in there.
Continue completing tasks.
You are participating in vital research, my friend.
Doc Groves? What is this?
Yes. An easy kill. Unmatched hostility. Unclouded by romance. Mr. Hammond may have been correct about you. This is interesting. A new stratagem. Amazing. It knows the darkness is its ally. I can barely see you, 6. If I didn't know you were there. Bring me another test subject.
Pause PDHC if you are going to agree on the test come into effect.
As long as I get paid, right? It's pretty dark in here. Can I get a flashlight? You just want me to fix the lights?
A structurally perfect organism, no question. Send in another test subject. Armed. This should be more of a challenge for you, 6.
What seems to be the problem? What happened to the lights?
Caution, 6. A strong indicator of intelligence.
Valve release.
But how do you know of the threat?
We got a Xeno.
Mr. Very good. That's enough for today, I think.
Impressive, Six. Most impressive. Escape is not an option for you, however. Please, don't try it again.
What's happening?
Wayland's finally going to do it.
Security alert. Power failure. Please remain calm.
Excuse me.
The restraints. The xenomorph. Whoa! Fucking bastard!
All security staff are required to report to their posts. This is not a drill.
This is security. We're outside the Xeno holding pack. Control! Xenos are loose!
Emergency lockdown initiated. Pressure loss. Sensor turrets online.
All facility staff, this is Dr. Groves. We have experienced a containment breach. Try to stay calm, follow procedures.
Mayday. Frames This is Administrator Katya of the Wayland Yutani Research Center. We have a class 4 xenomorph infestation. Repeat, xenomorph infestation. Ventilation sensors detect potential xenomorph activity.
Six has entered the matriarch's holding facility.